Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.1. Now problem number 6. See the question, evaluate. You are given the determinant, it has to be evaluated. Okay. You are given the determinant, it can be separated as subtraction of two determinants because we have a common sign minus over here. Put minus, can be written as two determinants. Here one determinant, here one determinant. Here 1 1 1, so only one element in first column, write 1 1 1. Here also write 1 1 1. Next, here also only one element A, B and C, so that write A, B, C. Here also have to write A, B, C. But look at the third column, has two terms each, correct? Here at the center we have the minus sign, so that I have written that minus sign is common. Here A squared, B squared, C squared, so that you write A squared, B squared, C squared. Here BC, CA, AB, write BC, CA and AB. So subtraction of these two determinants value is equal to the given determinant value, both same only. So according to the property, now I am retaining this first determinant 1A square, 1B square, 1C square. So write the first determinant as it is, no change at all. Now in the second determinant, okay, look at that third column we have BC, CA and AB. Particularly in this determinant we have three variables, they are A, B and C. Here A is missing, here B is missing, here C is missing, so that I am multiplying the first row by A, multiplying the first row by A, second row by B and third row by C. Look at that, R1, that is row 1 is multiplying by A, R2 I am multiplying by B, R3 I am multiplying by C. Since I am multiplying the first row by A, for balancing you have to divide by A, then only the value will not be changed, isn't it? Like that, I am multiplying R2 by B, so that you have to divide by B. I am multiplying R3 by C, for balancing you have to divide by C. Okay, now we can multiply. So what I have given here, multiplying R1 by A. So if you multiply it by A, you will be getting 1 into A into A squared, A into BC, ABC. So A square, ABC, correct? R2 should be multiplied by B, so 1 into B, B into B, B squared, CA into B is ABC. So you'll be getting B squared, ABC. Multiplying R3 by C, that is 1 into C into C squared, AB into C is ABC. C squared, ABC. So once again write the first determinant as it is, no change at all. So write the determinant. What is given here? 1A squared, 1A squared, 1B squared, 1C squared minus 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1, divide by A into B into C, that is ABC, into look at the last column of the second determinant, ABC, ABC, ABC. So you can take ABC as common from R3 for your C3, not R3, C3. I am writing for your reference, taking out ABC as common from C3. Okay, if we take out ABC as common, so write the first column and the second column as it is. What's the first column? A, B, C. Second column A squared, B squared, C squared. From the third column only have taken ABC as common, so that each and every element of C3 to be divided by ABC. If you divide by ABC, ABC by ABC, that is equal to 1, here also 1, here also 1. Okay, these two get cancelled. So once again write the first determinant as it is minus as it is equal to 1A square, 1B square, 1C square. First determinant have written as it is minus, look at that, second determinant, already these two get cancelled. Now I am going to that change the position of each and every column. If you change the position of each and every column, the value of the determinant does not change. Understand? See, I am going to interchange column 3 in column 1, column 1 in column 2, column 2 in column 3. Again I tell you, column 1 in column 2 I am going to write, column 2 in column 3, and column 3 in column 1. So we will be getting 1A squared, 1B squared, 1C squared. We will be getting like this, 1A squared, 1B squared, 1C squared. For your reference, I note down here, I am changing C1 into C2, C2 to C3, and C3 to C1. So have changed all the positions. So here it is. Look at that determinant, both the determinants are equal, so you will be getting the value 0 because in between we have the minus sign. So both the values are equal, means if you subtract you will be getting 0. That is the value of the given determinant. So problem number 6 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 7. Now exercise 1.1, problem number 7. Prove that the value of the determinant is equal to 0. Okay. So here is problem number 7. I have written that LHS. Here also we have 3 different variables A, B and C. Particularly in that second column, A is missing here, B is missing here, C is missing. So that I am multiplying that R1. I am multiplying R1 by A, R2 by B and R3 by C. Once you multiply for balancing, already I told you have to divide by A, B and C. Okay. Now the determinant becomes, listen carefully, if we multiply the first row by A, just for balancing have divided by A. Okay. Now I am going to multiply the first row by A. 1 by A into A, 1 by A into A into BC, ABC, A into BC, ABC, A into B plus C, A into B plus C. Here I am multiplying R2 by B, so that have divided by B just for balancing. Now I am going to multiply R2 by B. If you multiply by B, 1 by B into B, CA into B, ABC, 1 by B into B Okay, A, B, C here. Here you have to multiply by B, correct? B into C plus A. B into C plus A. Now R3 by C, have to multiply R3 by C, so that I have divided by C for balancing. Now I am going to multiply by C. 1 by C into C, AB into C, ABC. 1 by C into C, AB into C, ABC. Here also I have to multiply by C, C into A plus B, C into A plus B. Okay, that is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1, divided by A into B into C, that is ABC. Here A get cancelled, A get cancelled, here B get cancelled, and here C get cancelled. So we'll be getting 1 1 1 in the first column, 1 1 1 and in the first column. Here in the second column we will be getting ABC, ABC, ABC. So you can take ABC as common from second column. Okay, ABC, ABC, ABC. So that you can take ABC as common from the second column. Once you take that ABC as common, you have to divide each and every element by ABC. If you divide by ABC, you'll be getting 1. ABC by ABC is 1. ABC by ABC is 1. Write the third column as it is. A into B plus C, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. So these two get cancelled. So ABC get cancelled. So write this determinant. Okay, here 1 1 1 1 1 1, A into B plus C, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. I write the determinant here. That is equal to first column 1 1 1, even second column 1 1 1, third column A into B plus C, here B into C plus A and C into A plus B. Here that is equal to 0. You no need to expand the determinant, because look at the first column and second column, both are identical. They look like same elements in first column as well as in second column. So if two columns or two rows are identical in a determinant, the value of the determinant is 0. That is one of the properties in determinant. So you can directly write 0. You just write the reason, since column 1 and column 2 are identical. Column 1 is identical to column 2. This is a symbol for identical. That's all. So that is equal to RHS. Because we are asked to prove that the value of the determinant is equal to 0. We have proved that. So problem number 7 is completed. Now I'll be teaching problem number 8. Now last problem in this exercise 1.1, problem number 8, to prove that the value of the determinant is equal to 4 into A square A cube B cube into C cube. Okay, sorry, 4 into A square into B square into C square, that is in RHS. Okay, now I consider that here I have written the LHS. Okay, in the first column or first row, can take A as common. Look at that, A square, A, AC, AB, AC. So you can take A as common. For your reference, I write over here, taking out A, B, C as common from C1, C2 and C3 respectively. So we'll be getting, once you take A as common from the first column, you have to divide by A, correct? So you'll be getting minus A. So divide by A, you'll be getting B divide by A, you will be getting C. First column over. Now B has to be taken out from column 2. So that you have to divide each and every element by B. So you will be getting A, divide by B, you will be getting minus B. If you divide by B, you will be getting C. Now third column should be divided by C. Once you divide by C, you will be getting A, divide by C, you will be getting B, divide by C, you will be getting minus C. Okay. So I have taken A as common from the first column, B as common from the second column, and C as common from the third column. That is equal to, write this ABC as it is, ABC as it is, into, once again I am taking A as common from R1, B as common from R2, C as common from R3. I write here, taking out A, B, C as common from R1, R2, R3 respectively. So taking out A from R1, B from R2, C from R3. Since we have taken A from R1, divide A for R1. Each and every element of R1 should be divided by A, so you'll be getting minus 1, 1, 1, like that. Second row should be divided by B, you'll be getting 1, minus 1, 1, and third row should be divided by C, you'll be getting 1, 1, minus 1. So ABC into ABC, you know that A squared, B squared, C squared. Okay, A squared, B squared, C squared. I write here A squared, B squared, C squared into, I write the determinant again. After that you can expand, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Now I am going to expand the determinant. Usual expansion only, we can expand by R1. At the top of R1 you put plus, minus, plus. So write this A squared, B squared, C squared as it is. A squared, B squared, and C squared into, write this minus 1 into 2 by 2 minor, I tell you, then minus into 1, minus 1, again minus 1 into another 2 by 2 minor, at the last plus 1 into another 2 by 2 minor, then close the bracket. Okay, see that first minus 1, the element which presents the column and row should be eliminated. Column and row should be eliminated. These four elements to be written here, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Next next element here it is, leave that second column and first row, 4 elements left out, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. At the last we have 1, so the element which presents the column and row should be eliminated. These 4 elements left out, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. That is equal to A squared, B squared, C squared into minus 1 into, again minus 1 into plus 1 into. So right, multiply these two, will be getting minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, 1 into 1, 1 becomes minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, right as it is, 1 into 1, 1, 1 becomes minus 1, then 1 into 1, 1, and 1 into minus 1, but you have tried plus 1, correct? Now we have to simplify, that is equal to A squared, B squared, C squared into minus 1 into 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 into minus 1 that is minus 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 that is 2. That is equal to a squared b squared c squared into minus 1 into 0, 0 into anything is 0, minus 1 into minus 2 that is plus 2, then 1 into 2 that is equal to 2, that is equal to a squared b squared c squared into 0 plus 2 plus 2 that is 4. So if you multiply, you will be getting 4 into a squared b squared c squared, that is equal to RHS. You are asked to prove that value of the determinant as 4 into a squared b squared c squared. We have proved. So problem number 8 also completed. Exercise 1.1 is over. Then I will be teaching that next exercise, that is exercise 1.2 in the next video. Thank you, children.